We hear a lot that all distractions are dangerous and we shouldn't pick on cell phones, for example, and I can understand why people would say that, but there's actually some pretty significant differences. And there's two things that result in crashes. One is the danger of the risk itself, the activity we're involved in. And cell phone use while driving has about a 4 times odds ratio of crashing. In other words, you're 4 times more likely to crash if you're using a cell phone than if you're not using one. There's no difference between handheld and hands-free. That's a pretty significant distraction. There are other distractions that are worse. Reaching for a moving object is about 9 times more likely to crash. But the difference is, the other half of the equation is how often are people doing it. You know, we know people put on makeup while driving. Thank goodness not that many people do it at any given time. But cell phones, we think about 10% of all drivers at any given time are talking on a cell phone while driving. That's off the charts compared to other distractions. Plus, cell phone use is something definitive. There's something we can do about cell phone use. We can take cell phones and help people not use cell phones while driving. We can put technology on cell phones that will make them safer. So there are things we can do about that. We're probably not going to be able to do much about some of the other kinds of human behavior that causes distraction. Key thing is our exposure to the risks, the prevalence of the use, and the degree of distraction. Cell phones are off the charts when it comes to that.